And so the tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add audio on the Clipchamp application. So first of all, of course, all we need to do, just go and download the Clipchamp application if you don't have it downloaded into your PC. Of course, if you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you will have to go and download it through Microsoft Store or any other browser you're currently using. And of course, you must have been downloaded something in your PC before, so it will be the same steps. And if you are Windows 11 user, you will find this already downloaded per default into your PC, so just go and click at the Windows key and look for it. But if you are Windows 10 user, some of you will have it already downloaded, some of you will not. So if you have it, that will be great. Just go and open it up. But if you don't, you will need to go and download it, then open it. Once you open it, you will find yourself at this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen if you are logged in into your account. Of course, if you don't have an account, make sure to go and create one. So you can use the application for free, because you can use it for free, but you can actually like subscribe to them to use the full features and full filters and etc. And here you can actually start editing a video from here, record something on the application, then start editing on it. And of course, you can just choose some of your recent ones if you want to keep editing on it, which I'm going to do here. And here, that is just of course a video I found here in their stock videos. As you can see, there's the free to use. So I can actually start using it. Of course, if you want everything, you can just go and pay for the subscription. But what we said is we would like to add an audio. So how can we do that? Of course, if you want to add a music, you can just go here to this music and add whatever you want from this free to use. If you want to add your audio, you can go here to record and create, and then you can actually go to this option of create a text to speech, or you can even like record the screen and then remove the video and let just the audio and add it here. So of course you can just go here to text to speech as an example. You can like add hello, how are you doing, and here of course language English, voice, you can choose any of those ones, voice style, choose whatever you want, and voice pitch, choose whatever you want. Of course you can listen to it before like save to media, and let me just fix it. And of course, once saved, you'll find it here, and after it's been prepared, you can just go and drag it here, and it will be added. This audio will be added into the video, as you can see, with even the subtitles if you have it on. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.